Hi, this is Richard. I'm going to show you today another awesome Photoshop tip. This one is about how to get beautiful fall colors from your image and without it's basically almost no work at all. So watch how easy this is to do. What we're going to do first is take this image, which would ordinarily just be kind of a throwaway, but we want to have these leaves look like fall colors, not just the leaves, but the foliage. Have it all look like it's taken in the fall instead of the spring or summer. So what we'll do is we'll just go up here. We'll see the background layer selected. We'll go up here to image mode, and we're going to change from RGB color to lab color. Okay, that's the first step, is change to lab color. And now, what I'm going to do before I go any further is duplicate this image. So let me say image duplicate, and it doesn't matter what we name it, because all I want to do, I'm going to hit Command 0 just to zoom. All I'm doing is just making sure I have a backup copy here. And in this, here's my original, here's my copy. In this copy, I'm just going to quickly do a select subject like this. So it will select the squirrel. Doesn't have to be a great selection. This is not a very precise selection, but it's just kind of a rough draft, initial draft. And now I'm going to hit this little icon here to create a layer mask. There we go, that's the layer mask. Okay, back to the original image. Now watch how easy this is. We changed our mode to lab color. Now we can click Apply Image. And you notice I have the mode soft light. Here's hard light. Okay, hard light. Now you can already see, and I'm on channel B. You can already see with the blend mode of hard light and the channel B that it creates these beautiful fall colors here on my image. And I'm just going to hit OK. But unfortunately, the squirrel too now looks like he's permanently living in the fall. So we're going to resolve this problem. We're going to switch back to this image, my copy. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and you see I hit V for the Move tool. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to just drag it over to this image and then release. And you see what happened is, because I held down the Shift key when I moved that from here to here, what happened is it dropped it exactly over the other image so that it lined up perfectly. And now you can see, with the exception of this little leaf right here, I've got almost a perfect fall look with this squirrel. And I can obviously go in and touch this up here and make this little leaf brown if I want here in this where I'm pointing. But that's you can touch it up as much as you want and make the selection more precise. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get fall colors from your image and not have to go through any great lengths. And so that is the hot tip for today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome Photoshop and Lightroom tips, and hit the like button if you found this useful. Thank you.